Now children, we are going to see about the third sum PQRS. PQ equal to QR is it equal to 3.5 centimeter. RS is it equal to 5.2 centimeter. SP is it equal to 5.3 centimeter. And angle Q is it equal to 120 degree they have given. Okay. So now we are going to see the third sum, how to do it. So what they have given the question, PQ is it equal to QR is it equal to 3.5 centimeter, then RS equal to 5.2 centimeter they have given, then SP is it equal to 5.3 centimeter they have given. So now what we are going to do, we are going to draw the diagram first of all. First of all, what we have to do the rough diagram. Okay, first of all we are going to draw the rough diagram. So write down the rough diagram. So first of all, you just write the rough diagram. Next, what you have to do, draw the rough diagram. So draw the rough diagram in the sense, first of all, what we have to do, they have given PQ is it equal to 3.5 centimeter. So this is what you have to, first of all, PQ is it equal to 3.5 centimeter, you have to draw it. Next, what you have to give, the angle Q they have given us 120 degree they have given. So 120 degree you just draw it. Next, what they have given, 5.3 they have said. So yes, okay, so this is yes, you just write it. Okay, yes, this is 5.3 centimeter. Next, what you do, you just join it. Okay, you just join it. So PQ or okay, so that means what is that here PQRS. So this what will be coming, 5.2 centimeter. So this you have to draw the water 5.2 centimeter. Then this is the rough diagram, you have to draw it. Next, what you have to do, draw the fair diagram. So first of all, what you have to do, draw the 3.5 centimeter. So 3.5 centimeter, first of all you draw it. PQ 3.5 centimeter. Next, what you have to do, take the 120 degree angle. Okay, so keep it here. Okay, 120 degree is the obtuse angle. Okay, so now you see 90, 100, 110, 120. So keep it here. And what you have to do, just join it. Okay, you just join it. So PQ is it equal to 120 degree, you just write it. Next, what they have said, you just draw the 5.3 centimeter, you have to take it and you have to draw it here. And also what they have said for Q, or what they have said, 3.5 centimeter they have said. So next, what we can do, just take this one 3.5 centimeter, you just take it. So 3.5 centimeter in the sense, you just keep it here and you just mark the arc. Okay, keep it here and you just mark the arc here. Okay, next what you have to do, so this is R. Okay, so this is what? This is R. Next, what you have to do, from the R, what they have given, 5.2 centimeter. So you just take using the scale and compass. Okay, what you have to do, take the 5.2 centimeter. Okay, so from here you have to draw the 5.2 centimeter. Next, what they have said, using the same ruler, you just take the 5.3 centimeter. So keep here, okay, and you just draw the 5.3 centimeter. Next, what you have to do, keep the dot here. You just join it. Okay, you just join it. And what is this one? 5.2 centimeter. And this is what? 5.3 centimeter. And this is yes. Okay, so this you have to draw it. Now, and also we know this is the diagonal, you have to draw it. Okay, so this is the diagonal. Okay, and you just measure is what is a centimeter, you will be getting there 6. So 6 centimeter. Okay, so you just write it here. Next, what you have to do to draw the height? To draw the height, you have to take the set square. Then as usual, what you have to do? You just keep it here like this. Okay, keep it here. Okay, the line and the set square should be just there. Okay, and you just start to draw the line like this. This how you will be what? Drawing the height. So what is the measurement of your height you are getting here? 4.3 centimeter. Okay, so this is one height is 4.3 centimeter. Next we will see what we are getting. Okay, so likewise I am keeping here and keeping here. Okay, so now you just draw the what? You just draw the arc. Okay, next you just measure it. What is the centimeter you will be getting? 1.7 centimeter. So this is what you are getting, 1.7 centimeter. So this you have to draw using the one angle you are getting, means this how you have to draw it. Next what we are going to do? Next we are going to write down the construction. So steps we are going to now write down it. Okay, now construction. So first what we are doing, draw a line segment. Draw a line segment. PQ is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Then made angle Q is equal to 120 degree. Draw the ray QX. What is that ray? So this is the angle is going and this is there, so we are saying QX. Next third one, with Q as center, draw an arc of radii or radius 3 point. Okay, so draw an arc of radius. What we are doing? 3.5 centimeter we are drawing. So this is the 3.5 centimeter. We are just marking the arc. Okay. And let it cut the ray QX at R. Okay, so this what we are saying. Next fourth one, with R and P as centers, draw an arc of radii 5.2 centimeter and 5.3 centimeter. Okay, so let them cut at S. Then fifth one, what you have to do it? Fifth one, join PS and RS. Then sixth one, PQRS is the required quadrilateral. Okay, so this how you have to do it. Okay, and also you have to draw the rough diagram here, and also fair diagram you have to do it, and then you have to write down the construction like this.